Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to craft functional and stylish mini furniture using recycled lower-grade wood and discarded metals. This project is perfect for those passionate about sustainable living and innovative home decor. By repurposing materials that would otherwise be discarded, we contribute to environmental conservation while creating unique pieces for our homes. Our focus will be on designing space-saving furniture that maximizes small living areas, combining durability with aesthetic appeal. Let's start by gathering all necessary materials and setting up a clean, organized workspace to ensure safety and efficiency. Begin by selecting suitable pieces of lower-grade wood, such as broken pallets, old shelves, or scrap timber. These can be easily sourced from construction sites, salvage yards, or even from your own attic. Ensure the wood is free of pests and rot, and cut it into manageable sizes for your furniture designs. Sand down rough edges and surfaces to prevent splinters and prepare the wood for assembly. Remember, the goal is to create sturdy, lightweight pieces that fit into small spaces, so prioritize compact, multi-purpose designs. Next, gather discarded metals like old pipes, metal rods, or scrap sheet metal. These materials will serve as structural supports, legs, or decorative accents. Clean them thoroughly to remove rust and debris, and cut or bend them into desired shapes using appropriate tools. Metal adds strength and a modern touch to your furniture, balancing the rustic charm of the wood. Combining metal and wood creatively will give your pieces a contemporary, industrial look that complements various interior styles. Finish your furniture with eco-friendly paints or sealants, preferably in colors that match your home decor. If you prefer a natural look, simply polish the wood with a clear protective coating. The metal parts can be painted or left raw for an industrial vibe. Applying finishes will protect your furniture from moisture and wear, prolonging its lifespan. Additionally, adding felt pads or rubber feet to the legs will prevent slipping and floor damage, making your furniture both functional and gentle on your floors. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.